Hi all, I'm Smokerman and today I'm gonna present you Miui 9 by TR. As you see, you have many languages here, including Portugal and Brazil. You have this, like it's multi-language, okay? So you may have it here. I'm gonna change now for English for all understand. You have here the Xperia keyboard. It's not my favorite, I must be honest. I prefer the Google keyboard. Here the animations are good. Okay, let's see. You see the animation. You have the full screen display with gestures, as you see. Okay, with gestures. The capacitive buttons work also. Okay, it's the global beta Android 8 here. The theme, as you see, it's themed. You have here and here new signals. In the icons are different also, as you see here. The icons are different. The camera, it's the new interface of MIUI 8 here. You have the new camera here, which is very good. Okay, all features working here. So these are the most of the changes of the ROM. The ROM is very quick, very speedy, doesn't lag, just gives you FC if you connect the find device here. That's why I didn't add my Xiaomi account. Okay, and the search on App Vault here, it gives you an FC also here. It works here, but if you search, stop. Okay, you can't search on Google. So overall, if you are a security fanatic, this ROM is for you. The outgoing for MIUI servers, for Xiaomi servers, doesn't work. The account of Xiaomi works if you want to add. The themes also work without an account. You just go here and you can apply any theme. It works without a Xiaomi account. Okay, this is the only problem of this ROM. So I hope you like the video. The battery life also, I forgot to say, it's good. It's good. At least 4 hours. It's what I get, but I play a bit here, as you see on top 11. I play a lot and drains a lot. It doesn't hit like the global beta. It doesn't hit them. You have more or less 30 degrees, 35. Okay, so overall it's a great ROM. I'm liking it a lot. It's my second day, and I see you soon. Don't forget to press the like button. It's very important to the channel. Okay, and subscribe. I'm Smokerman, and thanks for watching. I see you soon. I forgot to show you the in-call screen. It's like this, okay? So it's nice, very beautiful. And this is the loudspeaker, and it's normal, and the colors change. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. I see you soon.